Greetings. You're looking at a 30-minute chart of the S&P 500 Emini Futures. I'm not going to bog you down with any fancy graphics or dancing elves or any of that. I'm just going to show you something that just happened, so this isn't cherry-picked. Today's the 16th day of February, and what you're looking at on the chart would be Thursday the 13th and Friday the 14th. So price makes a nice rally up. There's the 9:30 Wall Street opening candle. Prior to that's the Globex session. So we make a leg and a retracement, a leg and a little deeper retracement. And then here's where we put in the high. Get a pullback, make a run, a pullback, and a run. And price can't seem to take out this high. So we get a retracement. Or is that a leg? Think about it. Are we retracing here? Or have we just gone through a transition? Now price is heading in the other direction. And here's a couple more questions. Why did price stop here? And where the session ended, where we ran into resistance, clearly marked by this final 30-minute candle of the session. Why is that? Is there a method to the madness or any rhyme in the reason? Well, I'm going to show you something that's going to really clarify particularly these two movements here. I'm going to keep this video short. I'm not going to go way back in time, but I can show you the same thing again and again and again. Insert indicators, CFRN. Okay. And here they come. We call this a bullish cross. When that happens, we're looking for higher prices. Price always reverts to the mean, gives us yet another higher price. We revert to the mean, and this time we cannot do a higher high. So we had a high, higher high, lower high, and a bearish cross. When we have a bearish cross, we're looking for lower prices. You may have heard it said, trading's not easy. It can be simple. And we do our very best to prove that to you each and every day in our live training room. Got a leg, got a retracement, got a leg, failure to put in a new high. Leg, retracement, leg. Look where price always comes back to. But we'll talk about that on another video. Here's what I want to point out on this video. You see that? What did I tell you that was? A bullish cross. Okay? Now, what's that? That's a bearish cross. Okay. So other than telling us that we should look for higher prices, what else does this bullish cross tell us? Well, let me show you. It tells us when price comes back to that part of town, you better be looking for some support. Now, you had a world of traders thinking we had a trend reversal, leg, retracement, leg. But we had a few ideas of our own. Now, here, bearish cross. Other than telling us to now look for lower prices, what else is it telling us? Well, it's telling us that when price gets back to this part of town, you probably better look for some resistance. So there you have it. Anybody that tells you support and resistance is old-fashioned, old school, dead, you just can't trade that way anymore. Well, I'm here to tell you they're wrong. I invite you to spend a week with us, take our trial, 5 days, no credit card required. If you should choose to become a CFRN passport holder, we can make that happen for you right now, today even, with no money down and no payments for 6 full months. The journey begins at Emini Trading School.com. Just go there, Emini Trading School.com. Check us out. And while you're out there on the internet, go to Emini Futures Trading.com. That's Emini Futures Trading.com. And of course, you can always visit us on our home site, CFRN.net. If you had known what this meant when it happened, on Thursday, price went from $33.68 to a swing high of $33.84. Would that have been a day maker for you? Over here, when price dropped from $33.80 down to right where we expected, $33.66. Would that have been a day maker? How about this bullish run back up? If you want to see just how simple trading really can be, you can email us support@cfrn.net. You can call us at 949-42-EMINI. Better yet, go to eminitrainingschool.com or eminifuturestrading.com. And of course, our home site, cfrn.net. That's where you'll find everything you need to know, everything you need to get started. And a reminder, you can get started on your education with the full tool set, the one-on-one mentoring, live training room each and every day without taking a penny out of your pocket today. I'll see you on the internet, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the live training room. And even prior to that, depending upon when you watch this video, I'll see you at the Globex Open.